this one. This one is on multiplication. Now, for multiplication, all right, there are a few things to take note first. Firstly, when I see a fraction multiply by a fraction, I will first check whether diagonally, are there any, whether the two numbers diagonally, can they be divided by a common number? All right, if can, you can go on to apply the cancellation method. If cannot, then simply just take your numerator times your numerator, denominator times denominator. All right, so for the first question here, I will show you two different ways. All right, so I will show you the cancellation method first. All right, because some of you probably you might have observed that, okay, I am able to cancel out something. Okay, so let's work on that. So 3 and 3, diagonally like that. 3 and 3 both can divide by a common number, which is dividing by 3. So 3 and 3 both can divide by 3. So you divide by 3, you're going to cancel away and write down the new answer. So 3 divided by 3 becomes 1. Right? Same for this, 3 divided by 3 also becomes 1. Okay, we're going to do the same for the other diagonal sets. So 2 and 4. 2 and 4 both can divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 becomes 1. Right? I'm dividing by 2 from each of them. 4 divided by 2 becomes 2. Okay, and now we can go on to take our top number times top number, bottom times bottom. So 1 times 1 is just 1. Bottom times bottom, 2 times 1 is just 2. And you notice that this is already the simplest form. Okay, so this will be for the cancellation method. So cancellation method, right? The good thing is that the answer that you get straight away likely will be the simplest form. Then you don't have to worry about saying, okay, I need to further simplify or whatsoever. All right. So this usually helps you get the answer pretty quickly without having to simplify or anything like that. Okay. Now, the other method that I promised to show you would be not the cancellation method. Okay, so I'll just erase off whatever I've written down. Okay, the other method would be to straight away just multiply like this. All right, so straight away multiply like this. Okay, we shall use the animation here. So we're just going to take 3 times 2, which will give us 6. The bottom, 4 times 3, which will give us 12. Right? So you see, you already got the answer to the multiplication expression. Now, but of course, if you notice that this is not the simplest form yet. Okay, so this is what I mean. If you don't do the cancellation method for this, you do not get the simplest form straight away. All right, so you have to go and see how to further simplify this. So both top and bottom divide by 6. That will give you half. Same answer as what I showed you previously. All right. Now I'm going to show you one more example on the right-hand side. Okay, so in this case, they did the cancellation method. So 4 and 2 both can divide by 2. So this cancel becomes 2. This cancel becomes 1. This one diagonally, 3 and 5. Nothing common, right? Nothing common to divide by 3 and 5. So no need to cancel. So straight away, just take your top times top, bottom times bottom. So 3 times 1, right? 3 times 1. This one will be 2 times 5. That's it. Okay, so 3 out of 10 is already the simplest form. So you get the simplest fraction here.